Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda Metropolitan. This 50cc fuel-injected motor scooter. It's got the Euro style, metallic beige, only 403 miles. Really cool, fun to drive, automatic transmission, electric start. Come on by. Make your lightweight scooter dreams come true for just $24.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. 100 plus miles per gallon. Yes, indeed. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.